Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about second class EVS. That is, the lesson is about the third lesson, clothes for us. Clothes for us. In the previous class, we have already completed about our two lessons. That is food for us, our body. So already we have completed two lessons. Today we are going to discuss about clothes for us. So children, why we are saying about the clothes for us? What is the importance of clothes in our life? Yes, there is very important role. So why should we wear the clothes? What happens if we don't wear the clothes? Oh no, how you will be looking? So we'll think as if anybody if you see without the dress, how we feel shy. Yes, no, isn't it? So we feel very much shy. Because we are human beings, we have sense, so we can't do like that. So only the animals can do like that. So animals does wear the clothes? No. But we are the human beings, we are not the animals to roam like that only. So the clothes only will make us to look smart. So if we wear a nice dress and we will have it when we go outside, so how the other people will think of us? Yes, oh no, see this man or they will see this lady looking very nice, very beautiful, very gorgeous. So look at this young girl, she is looking so pretty in the dress. So looking very smart, this boy is looking very handsome. So like that the people will discuss about us. So the clothes are very important. So with the clothes only we look very smart. Isn't it children? Yes. When you want to go for a birthday party, then how will be the girls, how will be they used to make up? Yes. They used to dress up very nicely and the matching earrings, everything they used to keep. Matching slippers, matching sandals and matching shoes. The boys will used to wear the matching shoes, the hairband, the earrings, the beautiful earrings and the bangles. So nowadays the fashion will be going on by wearing the long frocks, looking like angels, no? That's small children. So small children or whoever will be there. So the young girls and the young boys are looking very handsome and looking so pretty and beautiful also. Yes, children, today we are going to discuss about the clothes for us. So why should we wear the clothes, children? Why we are wearing the clothes? Yes. We are wearing the clothes. Why should we wear means? We have to wear the clothes to cover our body. So we should not keep outside like that only. We can't expose our body like this. So we have to cover our body. So we are human beings. If we don't cover our body, we feel shy. Yes, no? So isn't it? So we used to wear the clothes to cover our body. The first reason is we wear clothes to cover our body. And why we are covering our body? The clothes will protect our body. The clothes only will protect our body. So what are the things which the clothes will protect, children? Yes, the clothes will protect us from the heat, sunlight, the cold. In winter season we have so cold. So we feel very cold in the winter season. So cold, the wind. So the wind also blows very fastly. So sometimes the wind is so very heavy wind. So in that time the clothes only protect our body. And the rain, from the rain also. And insect bites also. Night times the insects will be also biting. So from the insects also the clothes only used to protect. So the clothes protect us. First of all they used to cover our body. And the clothes will protect us from the heat, the cold, the wind and the rain and insect bites also. So small insects also they used to bite. So from the insects bites also, so the clothes only will protect us. Do you know children, in the olden days, long ago, so what happened there? So the early man, before the early man, they never used to wear the clothes. Always like that only they are going to, so first they are roaming like that only. After some days they got feeling of shy. So then what they started, slowly they improved. So how they improved? They used to cover their bodies with the leaves, with the tree leaves and the skin of dead animals. And the skin of dead animals. They used to cover their body, the skin of dead animals. So do you know that the skin, after killing the animals, they used to kill the animals. Hunting they used to do. They used to kill the other animals for food, for the purpose of food. And after that, the skin, whatever will be the animals with the skin, they used to cover their bodies. So slowly they started like that. So from the long ago to now how the generation is means, so they are developed now. Slowly they used to develop. So the human beings also they used to develop slowly. After that, now we are adding now complete slowly the threads, the different types of machines they came now. So they want to prepare the threads and all. So these all slowly improved, developed by. So the clothes. So in the early man, in the olden days, the people they used to cover their bodies with the leaves, trees of leaves and the skin of dead animals. But now we are covering our bodies. So we used to wear the different types of clothes. Coming to the clothes means, so we used to wear the different types of clothes. So slowly the people used to make the clothes. They learned to make how to make the clothes. So do you know children, in our India only, so there are different people living with the different cultures. So in each and every state they have a different style, different way of dressing. Some of them in Andhra they used to wear, our mothers and all grandparents, what they used to wear? They used to wear the traditional dresses. Suppose in the functions whenever we can see the traditional dresses of India. So what are that? Dhoti, the gents they used to prefer. The ladies they used to wear the saris. So saris. In another state they used to wear different. In Kerala they used to different way of style. In Punjab they used to wear the different salwar kameez they used to take. And the Odi also they used to cover their head. So the different types of clothes. There are different varieties of clothes according to their cultures, according to their way of dressing, according to their. So they used to change their way of dressing also. Different types of dresses in different states. So here we can see children the page number 172 in the textbook. So here we can see the different countries they used to wear different dresses. So in each and every country, in each and every state, so according to the state, according to their traditions, according to their cultures, they used to change their dresses. In China, another type of dress will be there. In Japan, they used to wear another type of dress. In America, they used to wear a jeans pant and a coat and a girl with a long frock. So they used to prefer the long frocks, jeans, different models. So different, salwar kameez. So the different types of jackets. So they used to wear the coats, suits, sherwanis. So traditional dresses are there different and the formal dresses are different. So different varieties. So here we can see children the different. So people in different countries wear different kinds of clothes. Different people, different kinds of clothes in different countries. So everything is different. So here we can see children different clothes for different seasons also. Different types of clothes for different types of seasons. According to the season, we used to change our clothes. So children, let us see. According to the seasons, how we wear the clothes, how we change our clothes according to seasons. So we have three main seasons in our India. So they are the summer season, winter season, rainy season. These are the main three seasons. So, according to the season, we used to change our clothes. So, how we are changing? The first season, for example, you take different seasons we have. Okay. Now, the first season is summer season. So, summer season, how it will be children? How the climate will be in the summer season? Yes, we know very well about the summer season. It's too hot. So, it is really too hot. So, in the hot season, how do we wear our clothes? Yes, we used to prefer the cotton clothes. The cotton clothes. Because cotton clothes keep our body very cool. The cotton, they will absorb whatever the sweat. So in the summer season you will get the more sweat. So in this season what we will do, the more water we used to drink and the cool drinks, all the juices we used to have. So the more sweat it will emit from our body, it will come out. So these sweat all it will absorb. So if you wear the silky type, the other fabrics, if you prefer the other fabrics or silk or any other types of cloth, so what will be there? We can't tolerate. So it definitely will get the rashes on our body. So we'll have some rashes on our bodies. So to avoid this, all of them we used to prefer the cotton clothes. Mostly the small children, our grandparents, they can't tolerate the more heat. So we have to make them very cool. So the small babies also, always we used to keep them in a soft clothes. The cotton clothes only we used to take, because they feel very comfortable in the cotton. The cotton clothes always keeps our body cool. They never get the more heat. So always we use our body also, it will be feeling very cool. So in the summer season, we used to wear always the cotton clothes. For example, the small children, the cotton frocks, the nighties, and the boys, they used to wear the shorts. So the sleeveless t-shirts they used to prefer, the caps and the pants, jeans pant, like that we can't. So in the summer season we used to take only the shorts only. Even the gents also, our father also, they used to wear the shorts only. So mummies, what they used to do, they used to wear the cotton sarees. They used to buy always the cotton sarees only in the summer season. So like that, the cotton clothes will keep our body very cool. Yes, because the season is very hot, we have to prefer the cotton clothes. They are very light also. So the cotton clothes are very light and they keeps our body very cool. And the second season here we have the winter season. So if the summer season, after the winter season it will come. The winter season is very cool. Yes. So in winter season we used to feel very cold. So in that season what we have to wear? Can we wear the cotton clothes? Can we wear the sleeveless frocks and the sleeveless shorts, small shorts and the sleeveless like that? No, we can't tolerate. So the body again have to change. So again it needs to change. So immediately what we will do? The way of dressing again we will change. According to the season, we used to change our dress. So in the winter season, we used to cover our full body. So up to here, the full hands we used to wear. And the full pant we used to wear. Not the half. Shorts we never used to prefer. So we used to prefer the full pant and the full hands, not the sleeveless. And again on that also we used to wear the sweaters, mufflers, the monkey caps. So whenever we will go outside, we used to wear, again the more cool is there means the more if it is the winter season, if you feel very cold means, then immediately in northern countries, some of they used to wear the gloves also for hands. For legs, the socks they used to wear, gloves for hands. So like that they used to wear. So these all according to the seasons. So in winter season only we used to change all this. So in summer season, again the dress is different. When it comes to the winter season, again we'll change our dress. So because the climate is outside how it is, the climate is in winter season it is very cold. So we want warmness. So this winter season the woolen clothes. So we used to prefer the woolen clothes. Sweaters, mufflers, shawls, monkey caps. The small children also we used to keep the socks also. For hands the gloves, because to get warm. These woolen clothes will keep our body warm. So cotton clothes will keep our body cool, but woolen clothes keep our body warm. So in this way we are going to change our dresses according to the seasons. So next, when it comes to the rainy season, so what type of clothes we used to wear, children? Yes, in winter season we used to wear the raincoats. Yes, raincoat we used to take the umbrellas, the raincoats, because to keep us dry. If we roam like that only without umbrella and without raincoat, how will we? So we will be wet. So when we go outside, we will be wet. So to cover our body and to protect our body, what we used to do, children? So we used to wear a raincoat to keep it dry. So wearing a raincoat, it will keep us dry. The gumboots, the umbrella we used to take, the raincoats, even for the school also, the small children, they can't keep the umbrellas. So they used to wear always the raincoats. So they will wear the raincoats and we will send to them, mummy will send to the school. So in the school we enjoy a lot. So wearing the raincoats. Yes. So in this way, according to the season, we used to change our dresses. Isn't it, children? So I hope all of you understood. Again.